Hi, this is Ashley at Portland Wellness Care, and today we're just going to demonstrate one of the McGill Big 3 exercises. This one's pretty common. It's called Bird Dog, and it's mainly to build stability in the lumbar spine as well as the shoulders and good alignment with the neck. So the purpose is to create a lot of core engagement through the entire body so everything can be more coordinated. It'll help you deal with any acute spasms in your back, any pain you're dealing with, and help reestablish a connection to your core if it's been lost because of accidents or postural fatigue over time. So to start, it's hands and knees, all fours, shoulders right over the wrists, hips right over the knees. If you have any wrist problems, you can just modify by taking fists or by even grabbing onto dumbbells or handle things so there's no extension in the wrist. Another option is to bring the hands just a little farther forward so there's less wrist extension, and you should just squeeze into your shoulders here to make sure that you're staying stable through the shoulders. To perform the full version of the bird dog, it's going to be pushing into the ground, chin drawn in, abs switched on so belly's pulled away from the floor, and then you're going to lift the arm with the opposite leg at the same time, reaching forward and back. So it's going to look something like the goal is to keep the spine nice and still as you move this, using your core, your glutes, and your shoulder muscles to move the arms and the legs while keeping the spine stable. To modify this, you can perform this by sliding the fingers forward and the toes back instead of lifting the arm and the leg all the way off the ground. So it'll look something like this. Again, the goal is to maintain as much stability as possible as you're moving the arm and the leg. Another way to modify is just to do a single arm or single leg movement. So everything else staying still and stable, just raising one arm or just raising one leg. Depending on what your goals are, you can choose which of these to focus on. If you need more gluteal support and stability, it's a good idea to work on the leg movement. If you're struggling with neck and shoulder issues, you can do single arm raises to focus on keeping that part of your body stable while you move a limb. Thank you. Hope that helps.